Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am really excited because I am unboxing something very special for my little ones, a personalized pajama set from Little Waste Street. As a mom, I always look for nightwear that is soft, comfortable and safe for my child's skin. And when I heard about personalized pajamas, I thought why not try something unique? So let's open this package together. The packaging itself looks very neat and premium. It feels like you are opening a thoughtful gift. If you are planning to gift this to someone, the personalized already makes a lovely first impression. Now let's take out the pajama set, and this is the cutest part. My child name is printed on it. That personalized instantly makes it feel so special. It's not just a regular nightwear anymore. It feels like something made exclusively for your child. Looking at the fabric closely, it feels extremely soft, smooth as a parent. Fabric quality is my top priority because kids have delicate skin. This material feels breathable, lightweight, which means it should be comfortable for sleeping throughout the night. And the stitching looks neat and well finished. I don't see any loose thread, and the seams feel smooth from the inside. And that's important because rough stitching can sometimes irritate kids' skin. Now let's talk about the design. The printer is very playful, colorful, and very child friendly. The colors are vibrant but not too loud. It has a not perfect balance, cute and elegant at the same time. The personalized is done very nicely. The name printed looks clear and well placed. It doesn't feel heavy or stiff on the fabric, which is great because sometimes printed name can feel hard, but this one blend nicely with the material. When it comes to fit, the pajama set has a relaxed and comfortable cut. The elastic best band feels soft and flexible, which is very important for kids. So while sleeping, tight elastic can be uncomfortable, but this one seems gentle and stretchable. I also like that this pajama set is practical. Kids can wear it not just for sleeping but also for lounging at home, pajama party, or even for relaxed weekend morning. Another thing I love is the gifting potential. Personalized pajama make such a thoughtful gift for birthdays, festive occasion, or return gift. It shows efforts and care because it's customized with the child name. Overall, here's my honest review as a mom. The fabric feels soft, breathable, stitching, finish, look, and the personalized name add a special emotion touch. The fit appears comfortable and kids friendly. The design is adorable, suitable for everyday wear. If you are someone who loves adding a personal touch to your child wardrobe, this is definitely worth considering. I hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more honest mom review. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video. And if you want to purchase this product, then the link is in description box. You can check it out.